This is a self-watering planter and tabletop greenhouse tutorial brought to you by the Denver Public Library ideaLABs. To follow along, you will need 1 large container, 1 small container, 1 fabric strip, about a half a cup of soil and a half a cup of rocks, seeds, 12 pre-cut wooden pieces, and a small trash bag. We have alternative options included on our Instructables page, linked in the description below. First, let's build our greenhouse. This project uses laser-cut pieces of birchwood. You can find the files to cut your own on our Instructables page. Start by dividing your 12 wooden pieces into 3 separate piles. A has 4 6-inch wooden pieces, B has 4 10-inch wooden pieces, and C has 4 12-inch wooden pieces. Then make an interlocked rectangle. Take 2 B pieces and 2 C pieces and connect each C piece into the outermost notch on each B piece. Repeat with the remaining pairs of B and C pieces to make the second interlocked rectangle. Next, position the rectangles such that the inner notches are facing each other. Attach an A piece to an open notch on one of the rectangles. Then, connect the other side to another open notch on the second rectangle. Repeat with the remaining open notches and A pieces. You can position the greenhouse in any direction. There is no right or wrong way. Now let's build our self-watering herb garden. We are using a small plastic container with 2 holes cut out of the bottom, a larger plastic container, and a cotton fabric strip. First, fold the fabric strip in half lengthwise so it is about 1 inch wide. Then, starting from the bottom of the small cup, thread the fabric strip up through one slit and thread it back down through the opposite slit. Keep a loop of fabric about 3/4 of the way into the cup. The ends of the fabric strip will hang about 3 inches past the cup. Add rocks to the cup for drainage. Keep about 1 inch of the fabric loop exposed above the rocks. Now add the soil, making sure to cover both the rocks and fabric. Save about 1 to 2 tablespoons to cover the seeds later. Now let's choose a herb to add to your garden. Denver Urban Gardens provided me with both basil and cilantro seeds, so I am going to separate them out by seed type. The small black seeds are basil, and the larger white seeds are cilantro. Sprinkle your seed of choice over the soil and cover with the remaining soil. Finally, fill the large cup approximately halfway with water. Place the planter into the large cup. The water will slowly climb up the fabric, adding more moisture to the soil. The process can take up to 48 hours for the soil to be fully saturated. Place your planter in the greenhouse. And finally, cover your greenhouse with the trash bag. You can place your greenhouse and planter near a window. But be patient. It can take 7 to 10 days for the seeds to sprout.